Chippy.
You already had a Chippy this morning. You have to eat your breakfast now.
Chippy. I love you.
Eat your breakfast. You already had a Chippy. You have to eat your breakfast. Please, eat your breakfast, okay? Eat your breakfast. Good, eat your puppy food. No more Chippies this morning. You had one. Okay, eat.
Leave.
Yeah, Mama. Mama.
Puppy go bye-bye.
Whoops, no. Mama
Mama.
has to go to work.
Work.
Mama has to go to work. Puppy stay home with
Brother.
Yeah, you're staying home with brother today. Mama can't take you today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mama.
Yeah. I love you.